In this video, I will show you how to hide WhatsApp profile from specific contacts. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. After you open WhatsApp, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Go to privacy. Tap on this profile photo. Tap on this my contact except. So in this section, all you have to do, just go and select the person that you want to hide your profile picture from him. Here all are the list of your contact. So for me, I'll just go with this person. I'll select this person. So after selecting the person, it will mark this red for you. Tap on this save button. So that's it guys on how to hide your profile picture from specific person on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.